Let me show you how to install GBoard keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. First, let's go in the Play Store and in the search, simply search for GBoard. Okay, and then to install it, simply click install and wait. Okay. And once installed, let's open it up. And then this is most important part. Click enable in settings. It will automatically bring you to the settings, and we are going to click this over here. Yep, and also then click over here on the default keyboard and make sure to set this as GBoard. And then we can go back and yeah, all done really. So for example, if I go in my notes, so you see we have the GBoard now installed. So yeah, personally this is way better actually than the Samsung keyboard. Also, I think, yeah, basically you see, you can also switch between the keyboards here if you click this tiny thing at any moment. If you need to change some settings for the keyboard, for the GBoard, so we can go in settings, general management, keyboard list and default. So you see, we can also, yeah, set it here and also change some other settings about it as well if you need to. Good luck.